Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another Forex analysis daily. Now I was supposed to be doing this video a little earlier, but I couldn't do it. So now I'm gonna do it right now. Okay. So as you can see, we have on account number one your USD positive and the other two trades are negative. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this trade even though it's not at 1% of profit yet, but it's because it's been like this one's been here sitting around for too long in this position here, and I want to make sure I at least guarantee some profit in this account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this trade. As you can see, margin level is at 8,000%, which is really good. Let's go to account number two. AUD USD. Let's see. So EuroCAD negative. We have EuroNOK negative as well. And as you can see, I opened a trade here. The chart went against me, and so what I did is I opened another trade to get a better average price. Now, if the chart goes even more against me, I want to try to open another trade like right here, more or less. Okay, and then if that happens again, then I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. But as of now, we have a lot of margin yet. We're still at 2%, 2 or 3% off drawdown, so we're pretty good. 4,000% of margin. And what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna close this trade right here. Okay, I want to make sure at least I guarantee some profit in this account. But that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. So let's go to account number 3. Now the same thing here. I gotta wait for these trades. I'm still gonna wait for USD CAD to move, and also this one, your NZD. There's nothing to do in here other than wait. Let me go back. Let me see something else here. Yeah, margin levels at 4,000%, 4,500% on account 2. Account number 3. Let's see. 5,000%. Account 4. Gotta wait as well. All the trades are going negative. 3,000% margin level. Gotta wait. Account number 5. Same thing. All the trades are negative. Gotta wait. And as you can see, guys, don't worry because the drawdown level is at 4%, which is very safe. Okay, so we are pretty good. Margin level is at 5,000%, so there's no problem here. Account number 6, I have one trade positive and the other two trades are negative. So I gotta wait as well. Go account number 7. Well, this one's at 10,000%. But unfortunately, because I barely have any profits here, I'm just gonna have to wait a little longer. I'm gonna try and wait a little longer to see what's gonna happen with this trade right here. If like let's say the next 3 to 4 days, the market doesn't move too much, either to my favor or against me, I'm just gonna close this trade again and open another one. And this one, NZD-CAD, I'm just gonna wait. Account number 8. All the trades are going negative. Are going against me. So I gotta wait as well. I open another trade here, and then I open one here, and then I place another trade here, and I might place another one here if the chart goes against me as well. 2,000% of margin, actually 3,000%, more or less. Gotta wait. This one, USD. So I think I'm gonna close this trade. I'm gonna close this positive trade, just Euro USD positive trade. And then I'm gonna leave these other two trades are here. 6,000% of margin, pretty safe. 1.5% of drawdown, pretty safe as well, no problem. And $150 negative, pretty good. And the last account, I think that account's the worst account of all of them right now. As you can see, it's almost at 10% of drawdown. Barely made any profit. Actually, I didn't even do any profit in this account yet, I think. Yeah, unfortunately, I already started with a bad wave in the cycle. The market. So usually, let me just draw that to you guys real quick. So usually when we start a Forex account, what happens is this. Basically, what happens with us is that we kind of go like this. These waves, they happen, okay, with us as we trade Forex. And like the longer that we trade, the more we are going to increase those waves until they become exponential and exponentially bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, until eventually you hit a point of like drawdown limit of the account. That's usually what happens. But in this case, with this account, we already started with a big wave, unfortunately. So unfortunately, the wave started big, and now I don't know what's gonna happen, if this is gonna start going bigger again or if it's gonna go even bigger. But as you can see, the market is cyclical, okay, and every strategy is cyclical. So sometimes your strategy could be working very good, some other times some other times don't, and it is what it is. It's just how the market works. And unfortunately, at the times that I opened these trades, pretty much all the trades went against me, and I almost have hit 10% of drawdown, but it's totally okay. I still have 2000% of margin level, and I was expecting this, so there's no problem. And that's what it is with this account. I'm gonna have to wait. There's nothing much to do here other than wait. I've already opened 2 trades for UNTD. I already opened 2 trades for GBP AUD, and I gotta wait for USD. Okay. And this is why, like I said, you always need to take into consideration being in a proportional lot sizing, because if you're not using proportional lot sizing, then you're most likely gonna blow up your account on the long run, and you don't want to do this, okay? And also, like I said, if let's say if that's all you're having in your life savings account, like $10,000, you should never put all of it in Forex. And not only that, but if you do put all of it in Forex, which is not recommended, but let's say put it anyway, if you still do it, you got to make sure that you're operating at a way higher margin level than like someone that can afford to lose 10,000 pounds would. Like, for example, instead of putting $80 to 001, you would have used like $200 to 001, $300 to 001. Why is that? Because you're diminishing your drawdown volume, and you are just saving up your account much further, and you're freeing more margin level for the account to be safer, just in case you start in a bad way of the market, which is what happened with this account number 10. But as you can see, that's the only account that's negative, that's like super, quote unquote, super negative of all these 10 accounts. So that's the only one, because most of the times that's not going to happen, at least in the beginning. Most of the times you're going to get small profits before you get into those bigger waves, like I explained here, okay? But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you liked this video. It was today's analysis. I hope you liked it. As you can see, we still have the trades in Myfxbook, and it's going to be updated. So everything, every single thing that I do in these videos are going to be shown here on Myfxbook, and you can look it up. So I'm just going to put the link for my Myfxbook right here below the video, so you can check it out. And here you can see all of the 10 accounts, okay? Thank God everything is okay now. Still have some loss here because I made some mistakes in the beginning, but it is what it is. There's no problem. Let's see account number 10. No profit here, no nothing, because unfortunately we didn't close the trade. So we're just gonna have to wait. But out of 10 accounts, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts positive, and 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts negative. And this one's barely negative. It's almost a break-even point as well. I was just testing something and I ended up closing a trade. But still, it's just so you know what's going on with the account. And yeah, after this video, after this trades, this account's probably going to be updated, and you're going to be seeing every single profit that we have when I close the trade, just so you know more or less what's going on and how I go about it. So yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.